Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of productivity and organization with a tool that has taken the digital workspace by storm, Notion. So, what exactly is Notion? At its core, Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and collaboration features in a single platform. Let's explore some key features. Firstly, Notion offers a versatile workspace with pages, where you can create notes, to-do lists, databases, and more. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife for your work. One of the standout features is the use of blocks. Notion breaks down information into bite-sized blocks, allowing you to mix and match content seamlessly. This flexibility is a game-changer for customization. Task management is a breeze in Notion. With Kanban boards, calendar views, and reminders, you can keep your projects organized and stay on top of deadlines effortlessly. Notion truly excels in collaboration. Whether you're working on a project with colleagues or sharing notes with classmates, real-time collaboration and comments make teamwork seamless. Another fantastic feature is the abundance of templates. Notion provides templates for various use cases, from project planning to personal journals. It's like having a head start on your next big idea. Notion plays well with others. With integrations for popular apps like Google Drive, Trello, and Slack, you can connect your existing tools and streamline your workflow. In conclusion, Notion is a powerful tool that adapts to your needs, whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone in between. It's a versatile and collaborative workspace that might just revolutionize the way you work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time.